Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this app can't run on your PC, the error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run it as an administrator. Let us say that the app is ShareX. All I need to do is search for it in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Next one is to run the app in compatibility mode. Let us say that the problematic app was VLC Media Player. Right click on it, select show more options, go to properties, go to the compatibility tab, run this program in compatibility mode for and choose the next version in line, Windows 10, click on apply, then on OK and try to open this app. The next solution is to repair the app. Now I'll show you all these three solutions one by one. Let us assume that the program is ShareX, search for it. Click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down, click on terminate to terminate that app if it was running in the background. Click on repair, let it go through and wait for the check mark. Select reset and then reset once again and wait for the check mark. And if none of these work, then uninstall it and wait for a while till it gets uninstalled. After a while, open the Microsoft Store and then let it load and then search for ShareX and hit enter. And once you hit enter, the ShareX app will load and you will be able to install it from the Microsoft Store here itself. Was this helpful? Okay, I'll show you. Click this one and then install it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.